How did it get here?
I don't know.
Is it hurt?
There's no wound. It's not his own.
I've never seen a man cub before. It's so small.
It doesn't fear us.
What are we going to do with it?
Evening, Nisha. V-hand. It's a lovely night, isn't it?
What is it that you want, Tabaki?
What's that I smell? Fresh kill?
If it's bones you're after, look elsewhere. We have enough mouths to feed.
I meant no harm, Nisha.
Your master calls. You best go quickly. He sounds ill-tempered tonight.
That he does, that he does. And with good reason.
Finish cleaning him off.
Nisha!
Clean him!
Where are you going?
To Aquila. A council must be held if we are to keep him.
Keep him?
Don't let him out of your sight.
We can't keep him!